cia mubira wa Maguru Harambee Stars Umuthi Rucini Nimekite Mehareria mao ma mwisho gukorwo makiamukira mwakorwo making'ethanira na timu ya Russia Mbitikaini cia kuruta bururi-ini wa Thaa kana Mbitikaini gukorwo gitafanio thiini wa bururi wa Thaa. Methako ino igukorwo ikiambiriria muthenya wa umuthi kuma thaa imwe cia hwaini.
The team is prepared. We've had a good preparation here in Turkey. The players, the morale in the camp is quite high, and everybody is expecting a good game. An interesting fixture against Russia, who are one of a good team. Ranked 39 in the whole world, and we are going out to compete. Such kind of friendly. We get experience to learn a lot of things, and now in our last preparations before our World Cup qualifiers begin, I believe it's going to be a good test against the Russian team to see and gauge ourselves where we are.
I think the boys worked very hard in the camp. This camp was also important for us. Next to the match that we had first time to train and to go deeper in some positions in detail work. So we have done our work. We are ready for the match, and I think even if Russia is a really top team, you saw it especially against Cameroon, how easy they win. They could even win very high in this match. So therefore we expect a really tough team. And we will try our best to make the people in Kenya proud.